What's up, warriors? Welcome to another short video on this crypto price that we're seeing right now. Okay, if you remember yesterday, I did tell you that we might have a little bounce from here, right? And if we did, that this might be the level that we can probably see a reaction, and we did move there. Okay, we did not touch it, but we did get close to it, right? Right now, it did go down a little bit. So it did go up to 47,926, and it did drop to around 46,775, right? The good thing is that we are still holding strong right here, this section around the 46 to 45,000, which is perfect. That's a good support, very strong support right now. We need to maintain that support so we don't keep dropping down, right? So let's look at another level right now. If we look at the volume profile, so from where we at to the drop here. All right, as you can see, you guys, this is the point of control around that 47,724, okay, which is wonderful. We did have a reaction around here, right? This is where we end up getting that reaction. And then from there, we also have this value area high, which is around that 49,208 or so. So in order for us to keep moving to the 52,000, we first need to break these reactions right here, right? So we have the value area high, and we have a lot of resistance around this area. So if we can break this, then I can see ourselves going back to the 52 or so. But remember, we also have the 50,000. That's a logical price, so we need to break that as well. But if we can break this, I can see us moving up a little bit higher. If we don't, then of course, we can be range bound for where we at right now. If we do that, let me show you real fast. Right now, if we stay where we at, all right, we are around the, let me find that real fast. So right now we're trading from here, which is the 58,000 or so. Excuse me. Let me do this again. So we are trading around the 58,000, let's say 200 to the 46,000 area zone. Okay, so we could keep trading between this range, and until we find a breakout, which is either going to be around this 42,200, the 48,200, right? So if we break through here and back test and we keep moving forward, then we have this section here that we do need to break, but it is resistance, so it's going to be a hard one. But if we get some good volume, I'm pretty sure we can break through that. And if we break below this bottom one here, then we do need to hold the support around this 46 to 45,000 in order for us to stay range bound. And if we break below this, then we are going down to around this section, which is the 42,000 to 39,000 zone. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick update on this Bitcoin price, and make sure that you guys like, share, and comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.